Then turn left onto US 41 North. Turn left onto US 41 North, signs for White Springs, then turn right onto Northwest Falling Creek Road. In a quarter mile, you will arrive at your destination.
Hello. Well, today is I don't remember what day I am in Florida. But anyway, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Today is my 5th day. Is it my 5th day? Anyway, believe it or not, this is my very first waterfall for the year of 2024. Today is Friday, March 22nd, I think. Is it 22nd? Let me check. Today is March 22nd, yes. I was walking a lot yesterday for the blowing rock out on the beach, which you should already see it before this video. Actually, maybe not. Maybe you see this before that video. But there was a lot of walking, and I was walking a lot when I was in Key West also. So my feet and my leg are tired. It's hurt right now just to walk. Luckily, this fall is an easy walk to get to. All right, let's go check it out. This is not very far from 10 West, Interstate 10 West. Should be a short drive, maybe a couple minutes from the interstate. Then we're gonna head down this way. Falling Creek Fall, Columbia County, Florida. So they do have restroom over there. Not sure they lock or not, but so the hour is between 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Daylight to dusk. It looks like a really old building there. And you can see it's been raining all day, and luckily it stopped raining right now, so I better move fast to get there before it rains again. There is a trail here to walk, but like I said, I'm in no condition to hike today because I was so tired. My leg is not cooperating. All right, let's go check it out. Should be an easy hike out there. I guess there's a little platform take you all the way out to the waterfall. No ATV, no bike on boardwalk, no swimming, no diving, hazardous condition. You can see it's kind of wet, so it could be slippery. Easy hike, all flat surface here. I'm excited. This is my very first waterfall for the year. Listen to it. I can hear water running. Very easy peasy. Yeah, I'm exciting. finally got some waterfall in for this year, right? Actually, I will have more waterfall coming as I go through Tennessee. There's a lot of waterfall there, so we're gonna catch a lot of waterfall this time. Okay, so if you're gonna hike the trail, this is the way. But I'm here for the fall, so just gonna go this way. Yeah, I'm not in no shape for hiking today. I think I overwalked myself in the Key West. I just walked like 2-3 hours for that Ernest Hemingway house, and then the Fort Taylor, which you might see before this or after this, I don't know. Those 2 videos will come out soon. I can hear it. It's not a big one, but it's better than nothing, right? Woohoo! Oh, that's nasty looking. I wonder why they have that weird color. Yeah, that's a weird color, looking color. Take you a different angle here. Turn into a creek, big creek. Woo! I finally can have a Waterfall Wednesday. Alright, thanks for watching. I will catch you on the next waterfall in Tennessee. Or the next video, whatever comes first, right? Bye for now.